Good afternoon, everyone. As Phil said, my name's Gregg Lindsay, and I currently run the service management function in the UK. So I'm the operationals guys. I'm the guy that runs the service organisation. I want to talk to you today about the value that we deliver into clients through what I genuinely believe is a world-class service organisation. So I guess at first is put some context around our service delivery and support organisation. We've got a direct presence in 50 countries, and through our indirect service partner programme, we've got presence in a further 120 countries. We're a true global player in terms of our ability to support a number of customers. As Phil said, our managed service business is a key thread of what we're trying to achieve in our service strategy. And we have 2 million ports of voice and data services across the globe. When you bundle in our standard lifecycle contracts, we've got a further 28 million voice ports supported. And we're well recognised in the market with over 1 million enterprise customers that we support. We're a true global player, and we can deliver that capability in a standardised and mechanistic way, delivering value into you as customers. So I guess the other thing that we've been working on, this is not just about in our service organisation about Siemens products. We have a strong multi-vendor capability, which allows us to sort of work with customers where we can walk in, take over a legacy estate, and take you as a customer on that journey of change. We can walk in and take over that legacy estate, standardise the service model, linking it to our ITIL best practice, shaping that service credit regime, service level regime, and then taking on that journey of change to IP open communications. It's something that we've done time and time again. We've worked with major customers in the UK, such as HMRC, and we took on board estates of 100,000 users seamlessly, and worked with that client, driving that value in allowing you to focus on your business and allowing you to embrace some of the technologies and solutions that you've heard the guys talk about today. But underpinning that, in any service business, it's about people. People deliver service. It's about our infrastructure. And we have help desks throughout the globe, it's ITIL-aligned help desk, taking your call, owning them incidents, driving them to resolution in line with service levels that we agree. We have secure network operations centres across the globe, follow the sun strategy, whereas proactive monitoring of your ICT environment, driving that high-end availability, that core thing that drives that value into your customers, but equally being reactive to events coming into our NOC. And finally, going back to my point, we have 6,500 service delivery professionals across the globe. The opportunity for you as customers to plug into that, consider how you plug skills gap in your business. Just to give you a scale, we take about 1 million remote contacts in our global operation. And as you can see, we've got service desks in America, South America, strong presence in EMEA, and we've also got presence in Asia Pac. We've got our technical support, back office functions and solution support centres that drive quick resolution to issues and underpinned by our network operations centre, which you'll see later on today. All of that driving that value into you as customers that allows you to focus on your core business. And again, we work across many technologies. We drive accreditation. We are accredited on Cisco. All of our service managers in the UK are ITIL version 3. We live and breathe ITIL in our managed service business. We talk about, we're accredited to Microsoft. So we can work with you across a broad range of technologies, delivering, as Phil said, that differentiator, which is the service operation, and driving that support and service into you as customers. So we have a flexible portfolio of services. We have a utility, the maintenance contract, where we supplement you through your ICT organisations with seamless response and restoration contracts. So typically in the market, a life cycle contract, break fix contract with response and restoration SLAs. We then move up that value chain where we can talk about outtasking, so where we can we can be your service desk. You can leverage the investment in remedy workflow and the skills that we've invested as an organisation. You can leverage the investment in our NOC in terms of release and config. And then finally, we can, as part of our portfolio, talk about a true outsource, a walk in and take over. And we have, across a number of contracts, put in significant people for the likes of the BBC, where we run their whole telephony infrastructure in a true outsource model. So really just to take you through them phases, and if we talk about value going that way, as we see, we can have a maintenance software services. This is our suite of services. This is the break fix, the life cycle contract, response and restoration, where we supplement your IT capability. We then move through the value and we talk about enhanced services. And that gives you the opportunity to out-tack a number of these ITIL components. For those who work in the service business, the standard ITIL catalogue there, talking from service desk through to continuity through to release. And we allow our customers to pick areas of the catalogue and supplement their business. Yeah? Drive that investment in network node manager in our NOC, remedy workflow, the skills that we've invested in terms of Cisco. And we allow you to pick from this service catalogue and drive that value. As we move right the way down to across the value chain, you can actually, we can offer you a transformation service model, whereas we'll manage the lot. We'll walk in and take over your whole infrastructure. We will consider 2P. Obviously 2P is a complex topic, but time and time again, we've seamlessly taken on people, integrated them into our business, allowing you to focus on your core business, and through that service model we drive high-end availability, delivering that value that you can help support your customers. Finally, we talk about something that's embedded in our service business. Continual service improvement is embedded in our culture. And as we talk about working with customers, we look to shape at the core of our business is our service strategy. So we agree a service strategy with our customers. We agree that, we define that, and we all work to that. Supporting that strategy is a service design. So we have service realisation specialists, which will consider things like e-bonding. So we can e-bond remedy to remedy. We can talk about how we integrate NOCs. And we agree a service design that is going to take us on that journey of change. We then engage with realisation specialists who transition the service. So we take it on, we've defined it, and we seamlessly bring that into service. At that point there, we hand over to service operations, which is the global infrastructure you've seen around service desk, through NOC, through our solution support centres. And underpinning that is this principle of continual service improvement. That journey never stops. So we work with customers in terms of our service improvement plan, which can be anything from driving process improvement, looking at root cause, trending issues, problem management, how the market's changing, are the processes that we designed on day one fit with where we need to do. And we appoint service development managers, service directors, and in some instances they are dedicated to you as a customer, understanding your business needs and taking you on this journey of continual service improvement. It's a real, it's something that as I work with customers, it's something that we do time and time again through the service review, which is not just about have we hit the KPIs, it's about driving that vision of taking us continually forward in line with where your market and where your customers need to go. So finally, as a service professional working in our service business unit, I genuinely believe in that driving value through service excellence is a key component of the culture of Siemens. We are a service organisation, very significant service organisation, based here in the UK with a true global presence. We live and breathe a service culture. We have this emphasis on continual service improvement and KPI achievement. And I'm proud that my part of business in the UK today, we deliver 98% KPI achievement in our business. It's something that we absolutely enthuse about in the service organisation, and we deliver upon our commitments. We have this capability end to end. We built a strong service proposition And we include that multi-vendor capability. We can walk in and take over the majority of products out there and services, and we can take from transition, driving tactical service improvements on day one, but working with you on that journey of change to these new technologies and services. Everything we talk is ITIL, the market norm. You know, as I said, we've got CBT, all service managers are version 3, we've got expertise in ITIL in terms of a master's level, and we use ITIL to drive a structured approach to service through the SEDS and the service elements you've seen from service desk, problem, change, capacity and config. It lives and breathes within our organisation. And finally, we can allow you access to that infrastructure, global service desk, global network operations, field operations. And finally, to close my bit on service, I absolutely believe that service is delivered by people. And it's the people in our contact centre that you'll see later. It's the people in our NOC. It's our field engineers. It's your service manager. It's the investment in tools that underpin the ability for them to do the job. We can open up access to that, allowing you to pull the value that can deliver to you as customers. And I think it's something that we're rightly proud of in Siemens.